Right, like I promised, I would come and explain how I'm going to get the voltage from 12 volts to 5 volts, like I've explained before. So I'm going to start off by the battery, because it's the vehicle all got like 12 volts battery. That will be my battery here. Then again, that will be my negative, that's my positive. So get a wire going that way and a negative wire going that way. So what we're going to have first, before the battery, let's say we had a rectifier there. That would be sort of like the rectifier, but we got our ground going down that way. Okay, and what we got here, we got a capacitor. Alright, this capacitor will be about 1,000 microfarads. That's what you need to do. 1,000, I must write it properly, 1,000 microfarads for that capacitor. And you get another capacitor. Again, this will be a stabilizer. So this one will be about 0.22 microfarads. Okay, and on the first step, we're going to go up and into, because since this is 12 volts over here, right, this will be the LM7805 that I was talking about, that will step down the voltage to 5 volts here. That was going to come over here. So this will be now 5 volts there. That will be actually used in Arduino. Then on there, this will go to a ground terminal. Right, ground here. Now, what actually happens to stabilize this circuit here, I'm going to need to put a diode here. Right, and that diode is going to be a 1N4007. Then on here, I'm going to have another stabilizing capacitor. That's going to be a 0. What could I say? 0.1 is an idea, microfarads. That will do. Okay. Seeing that now it came from 12 volts, it's now stepped down to 5 volts, and here this remained as a 0 voltage. So we can now connect Arduino here. Right, that we can connect Arduino here. Right, this will be all my circuit I'm going to have to put into the system when I do decide to step into the Arduino direction. But right now I'm using the third party, which uses only this part. This is a DSD PCB that is using the 12 volts. So with that there, I'm going to have to add this circuit into the car and then connect Arduino. Then I'm going to work out my C# and all the other application that I'll show later. Yeah, I think what I'll do is I will show my next stage from here.